The METHOD X was one of the most advanced products on the market to create better parts, faster parts, lighter parts through the use of prototyping or some of the advanced materials that MakerBot offers. My name is Michael Leavine. I'm the Vice President of Operations here at Leavine Family Racing. LFR is a NASCAR Cup Series team competing in its 5th full-time year with Christopher Bell. We've used 3D printing for a handful of different reasons, from end product use on the race cars to rapid prototyping. We selected the MakerBot METHOD X for its advanced capabilities. The heated build chamber ensures print accuracy and repeatability every time. 2 items specifically that we've been working on lately is a dummy camera pod for the tails of the car. We're also using the nylon carbon fiber on the driver AC inlet. That's a duct that brings in fresh air to the driver, but it's important that that part is heat resistant because it helps keep the driver cool during the race. We've been very happy with our partnership with MakerBot. Have been helping us get up and running and get quality parts on race cars.